Hello guys, welcome back. So we are in the HTML series. We are learning the HTML, and then inside that we have this is the fourth number videos, and we have already seen the type of HTML tag plus you can say next we have seen call how to create the page, how to run it, and next we have seen you can say division paragraph, and then another one heading tags. So hope you have seen the video number 1 to 3, and then this is the video number 4. And let's see, in this video we are going to learn completely hyperlink, how to link the pages. Suppose in a project you have the 10 plus pages and you want to link all, like normally you have seen the website. So how the linking will happen in the website? It's from the anchor tag. In HTML we have a tag called anchor. Shortcut people call it AHREF, but its actual name is called anchor tag. We are going to use that anchor tag. It has like, sometime you have seen when you click on the link it open the new tab, sometime it's open the pop-up window, sometime it's open the blank page. In the Facebook, when you click somewhere, pop-up window will open, right? That you have remembered. While posting something, if you click, pop-up window will open, right? So those all are the part of HTML hyperlink only. We are going to discuss on that. Okay. So again, CRM Software Academy welcomes you. And then in case if you are the new, you can subscribe the channel. It will be helpful for you. You will keep getting a notification for new videos, and it will be helpful for you to go ahead one by one. Okay. So let's go ahead. We are going to see how to link the pages. So first I'll come to my developer guide page. In developer guide page, I'll keep a heading here, link the pages in HTML. Link the pages in HTML. So there, write the syntax. What is the tag? Tag name is called A, and it has a property called href. There you have to give the file name. Next file name. Like suppose if you click on the link, where it should go. Suppose I'll give here file name .html, where you want to go. After that, it has a property called target. Okay, whether you want to open the new window, pop-up window, or blank window, what you want to do, that will come from the target. Then we have one called title. Title equal to, we can add here something, some guidance, like please click here something. Let me write here, click here. So once the user will move the mouse, message will come, click here. And then text to link, and close the A tag. So this becomes a completely syntax. Okay. Now let's go and implement one example and see how that happened. Okay. So we have already gone till example 3. We are going to see today example 4. So in example 4, I will not give exactly file name as example 4. I'll give a file called login.html. And I believe you are saving the file in one folder. So you have to create one HTML folder and save all the file one place. Okay. It should not be one file desktop, one file in D drive. 100% it will not work. Okay. So all the file keep in one folder, in one place. So once you are okay, once you start, once you learn, you understand properly, you can keep in different place and link also. Okay. But now hope you are keeping your all the file in one place, in one folder. Let's go ahead. Start from HTML and come to the head section. We are not using head as of now, but we will be using it. Next we have called body. Inside this body, I will add a new property for body tag. Example, bg color equal to pink. So for this page, I will give the background is a pink color. Okay. Now let me show you how the pink color is going to come. I'll go to the view file. You should save the file. See, it's without saving, if you are running the page, it will not give you anything. Okay, so it will be surprise for you. So you should write the code, save the file, and go to the view menu, and then from the view current file in whichever the browser you have. I have Chrome. I'll select the Chrome. See, background is coming pink color. Let me go here. Now I will follow one center tag. Why I will follow the center tag? Because we wanted to print all the content in the middle of the page. Okay, so center tag I follow, and inside I'll write here call h1 user login. This is my heading, user login. Okay, now after that I'll write a paragraph to write inside. Please enter your login details. Please enter your login details. Okay, so heading is nothing but it will come on the top, and below it will be written please enter your login details. Okay, now let me save the file and show you what is going to happen. So bg color, why I wrote? Because we wanted to change the background color is a different color, and the center, why we wrote? Because we wanted everything should print in the middle of the screen. Okay, so center tag we follow. Now let me run the page and show you the output. See, here is the output. User login, please enter your login details. I will go now, and since we are not creating as of now login page in this, I will write here a next line a href equal to next file name called register.html, and we'll write here called I want to register. I want to register. So what you will see is once we run the page, you will see one text will come called I want to register, and it will be hyperlink. How it will be hyperlink? With the help of this A tag. A is the tag name, href is the property name, where register.html is the file name. We are going to create the next file. So once we click on I want to register, automatically it will redirect to the register page. Okay, now let me run the page and show you how it is looking. I'll go here in the browser. See, it's coming. I want to register. Correct. I want to register will come here. Let's give some space here. Okay. Now how to give the space? You know the HTML tag is called BR. It's an independent tag. BR. One more BR. One more BR. 3 BR I have given. So 3 times the line break will happen. Okay. Now let me run the page and show you how it is happening. 3 times BR. Okay. And below is the hyperlink. It is pointing to register.html. I will run this page. You saw here. It came here. I want to register. Same time, let me show you one more tag that is called HR, the brother of BR. Similar like BR. Okay. HR, and it will give a lining. BR tag will not give a line, it will break the line. But HR tag will give a line. From beginning to last, one horizontal line will get created using HR tag. Okay. Now let me go here, refresh the page. You saw one HR line came here, horizontal line. Now inside that, we can change the color equal to green color, and size equal to 5. So color is nothing but the line color. The line whatever is going to generate, their color will be green color. And what will be the size of the line? 5 pixel. Okay, it will give you a 20 pixel, it will become very fatty line. Okay, so now this hyperlink will come now after a line, and that line will be from beginning to last 5 pixel will be thickness, and the color will be green color. Okay, let me go here and see. You should save the file. Okay, don't forget to save. Keep on saving and then run it. See, line came. I want to register, correct? And here in the next video, once we learn the form and all, we will design the form here, then it will come. Okay, so one page is ready. That is called your login page. But what will happen if you click on now I want to register? It will go to the register page. Register page is not exist still. We will create that. Okay. So let's create the next file called register.html. Hope you are creating the file in the same folder. Next, I'll create the file register.html. register.html should be within the same folder. Okay. Now in this register.html, again you have to start from HTML itself, HTML start, then head you follow. We are not using head as of now. We will start following from the CSS onwards. Body will open and close, and this page will have bg color as a some different color. Example, pink color. Not pink. Pink already we are given. Orange color. Okay. So a register page will background will be orange color, and the login page background will be pink color. It will look like a cross color. We'll get to know, yes, in the register page what was happening, and in the login page what is. Background will get changed completely. Let me show you the register page. I will go here, click on I want to see orange color came. In this now we are going to display the text. Okay, orange. I'll change to some other color. Which color? Sky blue. Sky blue I change. Now you see here sky blue changing. It's got changed completely. Okay. Now again follow a center tag in this page. Right there h1 keep inside user registration. User registration. Coming down in a paragraph again, please fill the form with your details. Something we wrote here. So what we will see one heading will come called register your details, and after that there will be a link, there not link will not be there. First will be heading called user registration, and second will be a paragraph saying like please fill the form with your details. Now let us run the register page again. See, it's coming. Fill the register page. It's coming here, right? I should remove the background color from here. Let it be black and white. Register page. See, came black, white completely. That's good. Now let's write a BR here. Again, I'll write 2, 3 BR so that it will be little gap. Added. Now let me keep another hyperlink. Oh, HR we need to write again. HR color equal to orange color and size equal to 5. So what will happen now? In this page, background is white, but the line will come in orange color. The line will come in orange color, and that will be 5 pixel thickness. Let's go now. Keep a hyperlink. href equal to where you want to go? Login page. That is called previous page. Login.html. Okay. And then we will be doing here call I am registered already. I am registered, or let's change the text. I want to register. I want to log in because already you are in the register page. I want to log in. I have account. I want to log in. I have account. I want to log in. I have account. Say. Now what you can see? You can see like you created the page, 2 page, login and register. Register page is linking to login page, and login page is linking to register page, right? Now you can see here file name should not be something else. Okay, see my file is called login.html. I have given login here. In the previous file I have given register. Why? Because my next file name is called register. So you don't create while implementing when you are practicing. Don't create very complicated file name. Give login register only, or give something like home and profile. Give something like product and user, so that it will be single word and you will not do the mistake. Okay, file name keep as HTML. It's a good practice. Okay, now I'll run the register page and I'll show you. See, this is the register page. In register page, the link is I want to log in. I have account. When I click here, it will go to the where login page. In login page, we have written I want to register. When we click here, it will go to where register page, right? So you saw the page got link. Let's go through the code now. First, come to login page. What we did, background we set, we wrote a center tag, we written one H1 heading, and we written a paragraph, text message, and break we are written. Why? Because content is not there as of now, so let's keep break. And we wrote one HR tag to keep a lining from beginning to last, and we wrote a tag to link to the next page. Which page? Register page. So while linking, what is the tag name? Tag name is A, and it has a property called href. In that you have to pass the file name, which file you want to redirect, and here which text you want to link. That text you have to write and close the tag. A is a dependent tag. You can see it's open here, closing happening in the last, become as a dependent tag. Okay, the tag will open and close called dependent tag. Right now, after that, in the register page also we have done the same. Body open, center tag open, H1 user registration we have written, paragraph open close, and after that we have given the br because content is not there, some space should be there. Now one HR we have written. It's called horizontal line from beginning to last. Orange color will come and the thickness will be 5 pixel. It's not 5 pixel only, you can increase it. See, I made it a 15. Okay, 15. Now after that, we have again another hyperlink ahref equal to login.html, and we have written I want to login. I have account, and again hyperlink is closed here. So you will get a hyperlink. Now both the page will get interlinked together. Both the page will be interlinked. Now let me show you the final output. See, 15 pixel are given. So become as a little fat line. Now click here, go to login. Click here, go to register. Right. Hope you saw how it is working and you understood also. Again, we will meet in the next video. By then, thanks for watching. And again, if you are the new, please subscribe the channel. It will be very, very helpful for you. Okay, let's bye.